Tired of messy photo backgrounds ruining your designs? What if you could erase them in seconds without any special software? Today, you will discover how to remove any background using the Canva mobile app. It's fast, simple, and perfect for creating professional-looking photos right from your phone. So stick around, because in just a few taps, your image will look like they were edited by a pro. First, open the Canva app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home screen, tap the big plus button in the center. This is where you start creating a new design. Next, choose the type of design you want. For example, you can pick a YouTube thumbnail or an Instagram post. It does not matter which one you select, because you can remove backgrounds in any format. Now, tap the elements in the bottom bar to add the image you want to edit. You can also upload a photo from your gallery or choose from Canva's photo library. Once your image is added to the canvas, you are ready for the fun part. Tap on the image to select it. At the bottom of your screen, you will see a menu. Here, look for the background removal tool, often labeled as BG Remover. This is the tool that can remove the background, but it is a paid tool, so only a user who has a paid Canva plan can use it. If you have a pro plan, then tap on the tool, and in just few seconds, Canva will remove the background for you automatically. If the tool misses a spot, you can use the erase or restore options to fine-tune the edges. Zoom in for better control. Once you are happy with your image, add text, stickers, or any other design elements you like. When you are done, tap the download button at the top to save your final design. And that's it. Removing a background in Canva mobile app is that simple. Use this trick for thumbnails, product photos, or even fun profile pictures. With a few taps, you can make any image look professional.